There are three big trends in transportation right now. It's shared mobility, electromobility, and autonomous vehicles. And the interesting part is the synergies between these three trends. Especially since electromobility and autonomous vehicles, it's not sure that they will lead to a sustainable transportation system. And therefore, we might need sharing to ensure that this goes in a direction that is desirable. So we have to actually start preparing our society already today for shared mobility. And there are different ways of looking at shared mobility. You can share the vehicles themselves, such as traditional car sharing, or you can share the rides. The idea is that you would be able to sit in a car together with maybe 2 to 3 other people, and therefore reduce the number of vehicles that have to circulate.
It's how it's used which is the important thing, which means that a car which is used in car sharing will have very different use than a private car, and therefore a car sharing vehicle will be much more cost effective to electrify than a private car. Technology for electric vehicles has proven mature in commercial vehicles. The battery is the reason for the higher investment, and therefore it's important to utilize the battery well. That means that vehicles which drive almost the same distance each time and can charge several times per day are cost effective for electric propulsion. It's often said that long-haul trucks of course cannot be battery driven. But there is no such limit really. As long as the vehicle can charge frequently and you use it similar ranges each day, then also long-haul trucks will become cost effective. The main challenge there is that we need to build a big fast charging network internationally before the hauliers dare to start buying electric trucks.
So I think it will start with autonomous trucks outside cities, and then inside the cities after we will have probably an automated public transport system, and then we will gradually see also the inclusion of autonomous passenger cars. First we will probably see this on certain roads where we have control that this is a safe road to have autonomous vehicle. And I think from an economic point of view and also from a safety point of view, it would make sense to get autonomous trucks first that would drive on highways. And then if these trucks can then also charge automatically when needed, it will basically contain itself then with charging and distribution.
So if we look at the transportation system of the future, we see that shared autonomous electric vehicles play an important part. Shared for reducing the demand, electricity because by electrifying the vehicles, there's easier to make them fossil-free. And autonomous is because the technology comes forward and gives the possibility to create new business models and new solutions.